taking a walk in my shitty neighborhood. Let's look at the sky. That's better, right? Taking a walk in the hood. If anybody wants to know what life is like in the hood of Pennsylvania, there's lots of rural stuff. Squirrels, birds, and raccoons at night. And there is opossums, groundhogs. There's a creek over there somewhere. And the sky is gorgeous today, so we can look at the sky. I'm going outside to get some exercise, although it's very fucking difficult. Oops, not supposed to say that. It's difficult. The sky is gorgeous today. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, that's far enough. We'll walk back this way now. Don't go too far. Don't stray too far from the homeland. It's a little bit difficult. Most days I just look outside from the inside. Oh, there's an airplane way up there. Teeny tiny speck. And some squirrels making noise. Let's see if we can zoom in. There it is. Quietly enjoying a nut. Not so quietly, actually. Kind of noisy. Anyway, what's next? It's nice because it's fall time and crunchy leaves. My trees haven't really changed too much yet, though. Always noisy in the city. But at least it looks a little bit peaceful right here. Tiny bit. A bit peaceful. Tiny bit peaceful. Not so peaceful. This tree is pretty amazing. Sky is gorgeous. And the soft blowing wind chimes. Anyway, here's where they took out my tree that died. Stupid lanternflies killed it. But it used to have beautiful, beautiful maple leaves. They were orange and red. Not anymore. Now it's dead and gone. Makes me sad. The clouds are nice today. I feel like I should be outside walking. At least there's no peoples. Just a bunch of racket. And the sky is gorgeous. And that's about it. We did a little bit something. Maybe a little farther another day. But yep. Life in the hood.